So it says in the instructions, we need to add enough air to compress this black bushing, about an 1/8 inch of squeeze. I have 35 pounds in the airbag. Let's see how much it takes. I'm thinking this trailer and Bobcat weighs 16,000. That's what the hitch is rated for. We're gonna see. Okay, I got 47 pounds in the airbag, and we need to squeeze this bushing. I'm lifting the trailer. We're not supposed to exceed, or the maximum pressure of the airbag is 100 pounds. We're at 82 psi, and I believe we have our 1/8 inch of squeeze on that bushing. We're gonna run 85 pounds and see what she looks like going down the road.